If you're a customer and have Power's windows installed in your home, today I'm going to teach you how to identify your custom window so you can contact us and report any service issues that you might be experiencing. My name is Michael DiMartino, and I've been in the remodeling and home improvement industry for over 20 years. I've been featured on BobVila.com and Realtor.com as a home expert. Let me show you how to identify your window. If you're experiencing any service issues with your windows, chances are it's covered under our warranty. So I'm gonna help you identify which unit it is and provide us that information so that we can get you replacement parts ordered quickly. So over at your window, just unlock it and pull the top sash down a bit. If you look up in the frame here, you're gonna see two stickers, a gold one and a white one. The white one contains 3 pieces of critical information. The most important is the size. This one happens to be 35.25 by 42.5. You're also gonna see the window identification number and the sales order. Again, providing that information to us is gonna help us remedy this situation quickly and efficiently for you. Please let us know in the comments any topics that you guys would like to see us address in future videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified first when we do release those videos. For any lingering issues, call us at 888-REMODEL or visit our website at powerhrg.com.